Construction work across the stadium is clearly accelerating, with multiple teams now active on facade installation, structural finishing, and major upper-level elements. Cranes, elevated platforms, and material movements indicate that several zones are advancing simultaneously. In today's update, we'll focus only on the areas showing the most visible and meaningful construction progress right now. If you follow stadium construction and want consistent on-site progress updates as this project evolves, make sure you're subscribed and keep notifications on. The south goal remains one of the most active zones on site. Crews are working across multiple levels using elevated platforms while applying anti-corrosion paint to exposed steel beams and bolts. This protective coating work is essential before the next installation phases begin. Inside the Staircore structures, metal panels are being installed to enclose interior faces, with several sections already completed. Most Louvre support brackets are now in place, with only a small number of anchors still pending, showing that this area is approaching readiness for continued facade work. At the corner structures, installation of the large chrome-finished tubes continues. Several sections are already in place, while additional tubes remain stacked at ground level, ready for lifting. This feature is progressing in stages and remains one of the most visually distinctive exterior elements of the stadium. At the south goal corner, progress is clearly picking up again. The crane has been repositioned, and multiple Louvres are staged nearby, wrapped and prepared for lifting. All anchor points in this section are already installed, allowing Louvre placement to continue without structural delays. After a short pause, this corner is now set for steady advancement as additional Louvres are expected to be mounted. The lateral stand shows strong progress, with a large stockpile of Louvres already prepared for installation. Most facade sections here are structurally complete, leaving only gaps between segments and Staircore front areas still pending. Once those remaining elements are addressed, this side of the stadium will be very close to full facade completion. Work around the compression ring system is advancing gradually. The third compression ring column is staged and partially fitted with yellow lifting attachments, typically a sign that lifting operations are approaching. Nearby, the massive radial beam remains in position with visible preparatory activity around it. These components are critical to the roof structure and represent a major upcoming milestone. In the north goal area, progress continues at a controlled pace. Prefabricated seating elements are being prepared for lifting, while Louvre supports are staged at ground level, awaiting final beam connections. Concrete formwork and shoring systems remain in place, indicating ongoing internal structural work. The changing angle of the facade supports is especially noticeable here, clearly showing how the geometry transitions from corner sections toward the central stand. The Tribuna area is comparatively calmer but still active. Elevated platforms are supporting ongoing stair structure work, including panel installation and finishing details. Some upper wall sections remain partially painted, with only small areas left to complete. Temporary decking has been removed from balcony-style zones, indicating preparation for the next construction phase in this section. Overall, construction momentum has clearly returned across the stadium. South goal facade works. Louvre installations, Staircore enclosure, and compression ring preparations are all progressing in parallel. With materials staged and cranes active, the next updates are expected to show continued visible progress across multiple key areas. If you found this construction update useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. More on-site progress is coming soon, and you won't want to miss the next stage of this build.